So let's see if this works. The Velcro I got didn't exactly go as planned. The wind's going behind me, so let's see. Turn this on and get a little bit out over here. This is supposed to go against and get towards the wind. So. Just trying to get it probably a little bit more away from the fence. I think like this way. That should be good, I think. All right, let's see. This goes like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not that way. I gotta get used to that this steers it, not this. Get further over here better. See, let's have a little bit more room. Get it like right over here in the center. I'll put these letters on it so that way I know what the trims are. Not that I plan to trim it, but we'll see. Probably like right here, I think. Ugh. Okay. Oh, damn. Kind of went all or nothing on that one. Sick. Oh, my sun's in my eye. We'll see how it goes when I try to land it. still got a lot of battery. Whoa. Don't scare me, plane. And I landed it too. Nice. I think the landing's easier than it is to take off. And takeoff's kind of scary. But I could see how within a few seconds you could definitely crash if it didn't have that safe thing on. At least I'm guessing that's what's keeping it from crashing. Let's try it again. Man, I'm still nervous. I need to calm down. Alright, let's see. Definitely say wear sunglasses if you do this. I'm like right in the line of sight of the sun. Now I see why it says if you get disorientated. I was thinking, how do you get disorientated flying? Whoa. Oh, cool. It's like gliding. Still got battery left. Wow, this thing is so cool. A little bit scary, but cool. Whoa. I got confused how the plane was flying right there. So what the heck? Oh, I need to stop doing that into the sun. I need to lower the throttle a little. Man, it descends so quick. You would think like it would take a while before it descends, but it does not. Oh, a little bit more gas. Oh, don't scare me now. Oh. I need to quit doing that. I feel like I'm gonna crash every time I do that. It's definitely interesting how the wind plays a big role. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's one way of doing it. See, everything good? Yep. You know what? I'm gonna try to get like this better. No. No. Stay behind it is easier. Is it bent? Or is it just the grass? I can't tell. Turn that thing off. Might have bent a little. I think this thing bent a little bit. Cannot tell. It definitely looks like it's bent a little. Yep. Oh no, there's some people coming. I'm getting nervous if they start talking to me while I'm flying this thing. Ooh. Yes, that's exactly that's exactly how I wanted to land at the last one. Nuts. So I'll add this since I didn't really have audio right here in the video. I was just more excited that I didn't break nothing. But the plane's pretty easy to fly. This video, I took it when I very first took the plane out to fly. So since then, I unfortunately did crash it about like the fourth or fifth time I flew it. On another occasion, I crashed it because one of the pieces came off by the wheel and I didn't notice it until I actually rewatched the video again, which is not in this video, but I rewatched the video and I noticed there was a piece missing. And sure enough, where that piece is missing, it's like a little wing by the wheel. That's where the plane carved. I don't know if that's the right word, but it kind of carved into the wind like that, and it came straight down and broke from the nose. So I haven't repaired that yet. The plan is to eventually repair it and take it out again to fly. But I had this video, and just somehow forgot to upload it. It was months ago, so decided, you know what, let me put this up, and then I'll put another video up when I finally buy that part and repair it. But other than that, these planes, they're pretty fun. As long as you have plenty of room where to fly it, you should be good. I would say read the manual really good. Focus on what you're doing. Wear sunglasses, a hat. Not too windy when you take it out, and you should be fine. They're a lot of fun. I would recommend it if you're thinking about getting this specific plane. I would definitely recommend it. Just make sure you got plenty of room wherever you take it to fly. And thanks for watching. Peace.